Hey everybody, welcome to Everyday Waffles, where we know I hate food, but I love waffles. And today we have got a super special end of our 7 days because we are going with Lobster Florentine in a fucking waffle. But we're actually going to go with some fake lobster. But this looks really good though, but I gotta get this into a lobster, into a waffle. So I hope you guys saw my shorts today. I had a good short. I dropped it in front of. I'm not gonna tell you. You just have to see it. So today's waffle, I've got all the ingredients listed. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I've been really looking forward to this one as I've been mixing, matching, playing around, just smelling some things. I'm not gonna show you the burned waffle. This is like the one I kind of played with just a little bit, but I waited to put all things assembled until we're live on the show. So what I've got going on is my dry ingredients here. And so that's just gonna be my flour, my baking powder. And so then I went with my seasonings, which are gonna be Old Bay this time, some garlic, black pepper, and hemp seeds. Let me show you this beautiful mix right here. Fucking beautiful, isn't it? All right, so I'm gonna drop that into my dry. All right, and so now I'm gonna mix this all up with my whisk and work on our wet. So this is gonna come with a lovely butter sauce on top. So I cannot wait to teach you guys this sauce. This is gonna be amazing. All right. So we all know that eggs are like the best Valentine's Day to buy presents to buy for somebody. Because if you want to spend like $100 per egg, they're really gonna appreciate you. But fuck that shit. We are still using this. Oh my god, you guys have got to try this stuff. Way better, super cheap. But I figured out the trick finally. Chopsticks. It's 1-to-2 ratio of water and mix it with chopsticks. Way easier. All right. So let's go ahead and put our dry ingredients into our wet and let's start having some fun. Aw, hell. Guess who did not do the waffle iron yet? That means you guys have to listen to more of my bad jokes. Ha ha. You're stuck with me. All right. So let me put the whisk off to the side now. So now I'm going to be adding in some really cool shit in here. First of all, so I pre-cut up some spinach. So that's a half cup of spinach and a tablespoon of very finely sliced green onion. Super finely sliced. All right, so I'm gonna throw that in there. And also something fun to play with. Instead of the Florentine, for our lobster Florentine, I'm going with quinoa. So got about a half a cup of quinoa in there that I pre-cooked. And then I'm gonna go with the butter. Yummy, yummy butter. And then I'm gonna go 3/4 cup of our lovely lobster. So this recipe, actually, what I did was I designed it for actually 3, because you never know. It's just gonna be me for Valentine's Day. That's for damn sure. Because I want to spend it by myself. Guarantee that I have a good time. And the way to guarantee that you have a good time is just you, rechargeable batteries, and we'll leave that one alone. Plus, last year I looked like I was about to die, covered in tubes, and that wasn't fun. This year, yummy, yummy, yummy in my waffle tummy. So since it's designed for 3 and our waffle iron is still, heating up here. So this is for me tonight, as we all know. Going out and doing my shorts today, that was just for me too. I was on a bike ride, making myself feeling really good. I mean, I just love how this whole thing is working out in my favor. What a fucking great Valentine's Day. But I know my friends. So, we menage a trois tonight. The reason this recipe is for 1, 2, and 3 is just me, or a party of 2, doing an add-on, or the throuples. Who knows? It's Valentine's Day. Cheers to everybody. All right. Fuck yeah. As you all know, the more I drink before the meal, the better. And this is brought to you by Homo Sweet Homo. There are some amazing friends that I just want to shout out to tonight like crazy. All right, so now I got my egg substitute I'm about to put in here. Bloop. I know this part looks like galoo, but it is not galoo. Galoo is when you do not rinse out your waffle bowl. Then you're basically fucked. All right. I mean, nothing says I love you more than waking up to a bowl that's like encrusted that's going to take all day. Yeah, no, fuck that shit. That's why I like these waffles. I mean, these are, all designed just to have a very few amount of dishes. I mean, this is a gourmet fucking meal here, and there's not a lot of doing it because I'm putting it into a waffle. I mean, how fucking hell of incredible is that? Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna mix this up. All right. Fucking exciting. There's that smell right there. Lobster Florentine. My God. This is coming off great. Mm-hmm. Sorry, that was a silent portion. We all have to have our own quiet time while we cook, right? That was mine. Okay, so keep on mixing up just a little bit. Because remember, this looks fucking amazing. But it's going to taste like this. That's cool as shit. All right, so let's get going. Now then, let me get my baster so I can baste on. Oh, are we spilling tea tonight? Actually, no, we're just drinking the hell out of wine. Put some olive oil in this tonight. I spent so much on the fake lobster that, we're going for the cheap shit. Isn't that fun? I mean, this gourmet meal is really not that expensive at all. Okay. Now, with the waffle iron heated up, wine over here, let's get going. Base this sucker up. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this, guys. I don't know which is more exciting. The fact that I am guaranteed a damn good time tonight, or how great this thing's gonna taste. I think both. All right. I already had a phone call from a friend of mine. He's like, "You're not gonna believe what I'm doing." I'm like, "Is it what you're doing or who you're doing?" We'll just leave that one alone. Dutch. All right. So let me close the waffle iron. Boom. I am super excited about this, guys. All right. So now turn this a little bit. So I've got 3 tablespoons of butter already in here. And so now with this butter, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a few really fun things. So remember we had that Alfredo sauce? I'm going to add some Alfredo sauce into the butter. So about 3 tablespoons of this wonderful leftover Alfredo sauce. Now this is the part I haven't tried. I tried a little bit of that, not a lot of this. This is very exciting, guys. All right, let's put this away. Because you know me, I love to put shit away. This is a lot of fun. Just to be able to sit down and enjoy the hell of your meal when you're over. All right, so here comes the lemon. I'm going to juice 1 lemon. This sauce is going to be really, really delicious. Oh, God, I wish you guys could smell that lobster. Oh, you would never know it's an imitation. All right, 1.5 points. All right, here comes 2. All right, let's see if I can go for a 2 point. 2 points. All right, here we go. Now comes in my juice of 1 lemon. If you have a zester, put some zest in. I don't, so I don't care about zesting myself. All right, stir this up. While this being stirred up, I want some more fun stuff in here. I like fun stuff. So I'm going to put in cracked pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon of cracked pepper. Now about 1/2 teaspoon of this amazing Old Bay. God, I love this shit. It's so damn good. The flavor that's going to come from here is just incredible. Boop, bam. All right. Tell you what, doing that short thing was really fucking hilariously fun today. I hope you guys check it out. And I was getting exercise. Bonus round. So I'm putting in some minced garlic. Oh, that would have been a disaster. Oh my gosh. A fun disaster. Because then I would have had to borrow my friend's dog and say, "Can I borrow your dog, please?" They'd be like, "Why?" I'm like, "Because I fucked up." All right, so now I'm going to put in some fresh dill. They'd be like, "You fucked up?" What'd you do? Because that sounds like every day. Just saying. Okay, back to this wonderful sauce. All right, let me start giving it a smell because I've got this Alfredo, black pepper, some dill, some Old Bay, some garlic in here, lemon, butter. Holy shit. Oh my God. If you're taking somebody out to Red Lobster tonight and they're watching this beforehand, they're going to say, fuck you. Just saying. This is amazing. Oh, when I could eat them, I like made the hell out of those biscuits. Mine were better. Just saying. I am not conceited at all. A little bit. All right. So, go for it. You ready? Holy shit. Smells like you're at a seafood restaurant. Again. Oh my God. Guys, this is just. I'm excited. And these are going to freeze. Just so y'all know. Every bit of this is going to freeze. So when I give this to my friends tomorrow, not tonight, I'll be able just to reheat. Give them some sauce. Voila. Light's green. Let's do this. Ooh, look at you loving them up. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. That tempura waffle was one thing. The second tempura waffle, another. This, holy fuck. All right, let's baste. Get our next one in. I'm going to show you guys what I got going on here. Ho, 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 ho. I don't know which is going to happen first. I think they're going to go simultaneously. Batteries plus waffle. How does that work? Let's think about that. Or not. It's Valentine's. I'm like, fuck it. I am having a damn good time. Because I am eating food. I mean, all this, I never thought I'd be able to do again. I mean, that does not look like a man who's going to be able to do what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so I'm going to take this beautiful sauce that I made. I'm just going to drizzle all over. Let me show you what it looks like first. So I made a smaller one because I'm literally going to eat the whole thing tonight. Probably going to be in the easy chair, but it's still pretty early. Look at all that. You can see the lobster, the colors. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. I even dressed up for myself. Looking kind of fancy. All right. Wow. You know, Curious George, they talk about the man in the yellow hat. I am the man in the blue hat tonight, I tell you. Oh, this is so delicious. Oh my God. A little bit in every bite. Holy fuck. A little bit more fresh dill on top. Okay. Now, for something that I never do, ever, but I really wanted to do something special. I wanted to put something on the side. Not a heart on, a heart of palm. So I took hearts of palm, split them in half, and deep fried them. And oil, vegetable oil. So what you do is basically coat them in your milk, and then make flour, your seasonings, and put a little bit of cornstarch. Sticks right to it. Fry them up. Holy shit! I just got done with those. I'm gonna put 2 on my plate. I'm so excited. And then I took some of that Alfredo. I took a thing of ranch that I had from a little cup from a friend of mine's pizza that they had, and just kind of blended in some yogurt, cracked pepper. Tastes really good. You can get creative. Just have fun. Like the kitchen's all about fun. I cannot believe I'm fucking saying that. This is fucking crazy. But it is. It is now. Man, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys this. Oh, holy fuck. Look at that. Deep fried hearts of palm on the side. Lobster Florentine waffle. The beautiful, awesome, buttery sauce. We ready? I know I am. Gosh, I'm so excited. By the way, before I have a mouthgasm, I'll just go ahead and say I love you guys. Cheers. We're just going to take a minute, like Joan Rivers says. Can we talk? Sorry, my mouth was full. I don't give a fuck. We're tasting lobster. The breading. The way the couscous comes through. The dill, the lemon, everything. All the ingredients together. I mean, seriously, so many of these taste like if you went to a buffet, put your favorite ingredients all in one plate, and you're like, wow. Lobster Florentine. In 15 minutes, basically. Holy fuck, right? Now I'm gonna have some fun. Rom com, and here we go. Bye, babies.